dastardly act, inhuman and unexpected, and to target visitors who actually were contributing to the revenue of that particular state is beyond my ability to comprehend. We stand together as a nation and as a state government. We extend our full support to the union government in its attempt to thwart the upsurge of insurgency and terrorism in that particular area. I think we have already upped the ante on the part of the government. We are now very vigilant. We are in constant touch with the BSF. The Chief Minister had met the DG. I had met him separately. And we are also going for more recruitment in the state police. As you are aware, about 3,000 vacancies will be filled up. And also wherever there are areas where there is a gap in ensuring the safety of citizens, we are coordinating with central forces and especially the BSF, which has vast presence in Meghalaya. Yeah. Okay.